Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the Cookhouse menu in Whiteout Survival. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so to do this, we're going to go ahead and open the game and go to your base where Cookhouse building is. So typically it's near your furnace to the right, top right of it. Here's the Cookhouse, so click onto it. Now from here, under Cookhouse, where it's got production, you want to go ahead and click to the right of that. And then from here, you're going to see the Cookhouse menu. So we could use meat to make different types of food and raise survivors' fullness. So at the moment, I've got the healthy grill current choice. Now in order to change it, if I want to go for the nutritional meal and then the fancy meal, I could select either one of these. So now the healthy grill is your basic healthy grill type. So this is the cheapest and lowest fullness. And your nutritionist mid-tier meal is better fullness. Now your fancy meal is high quality meal, highest fullness, but costs more resources. So keep that in mind when you want to change your menu. So say if I want to go for a nutritious meal, I want to click select. And now that's going to say current choice. Now the Cookhouse will serve that choose a meal to your survivors.